hour. Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Northport Light, Wisconsin, until 11:30 p.m. At 9:57 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles west of Cleveland to 13 nautical miles west of Cedar Grove to 27 nautical miles west of Bayside, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Port Washington. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.